Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Mr. Reha Jonalyn R. from Bachelor of Science in Criminology, second year, Block 2D. And now, I will discuss the police policing system in United States and why do I like their policing system. United States is decentralized, meaning there are many independent police agencies at local county, states, and federal levels. So, each agency has its own authority, policies, and responsibilities. And also, they allowed that every communities have more control over their policies, promotes accountability, and adapts the local needs while enforcing laws and maintaining public safety. Yes, I totally like the US policing system because it's decentralized the local community to more control over their police. It also allows the flexibility, transparency, and local participating public safety. And finally, they encourage the community accountability